Mangwabe always telling his son Spiwe that you are not belong here. Mangwabe have to know some of the words she's supposed to say to her kids. Musamseleku brought that house for Mangwabe and her kids. Even Musamseleku doesn't want Spiwe, but there is no need Mangwabe always saying those words to Spiwe, and Mangwabe wants Spiwe to see Musamseleku like a bad person. Spiwe respects Musamseleku. Even Musamseleku, he can say, I don't want your child what, but he can't say direct to him. So Mangwabe have to know some of the words she's supposed to say to her son. Sometimes, guys, that child, she can feel uncomfortable, like maybe Mangwabe is choosing her son. Mangwabe have got 2 kids with Musamseleku, Mawande and Zinande, and they've got another child not with Musamseleku, Spiwe. So those kids are her kids. If it was Mawande and Zinande's home, it's his home. Mangwabe, there is no need to tell Spiwe that you are not belong here. It's not good for a child because those kids, it's her kids. When Mangwabe is staying at that home, it's Mangwabe's home. It's her son's home. So there is no need Mangwabe wants Spiwe to see Musamseleku like a bad person. Musamseleku and Spiwe, guys, those people, they are getting along nowadays. Musamseleku, he is trying to correct himself. We know that people, we can make mistakes. Musamseleku now, he is regretting those words. He says, your child is not my child. But now Musamseleku, he is trying to correct their relationship, and he saw it like it's a bad thing, Musamseleku, what he did, because people, guys, you can say some of the words but you end up regretting those words. But Mangwabe is keeping those words. Musamseleku says that your child is not my child, what, you understand? Why Musamseleku now want to be with Spiwe on cameras? When Musamseleku, he is with Mangwabe, we saw Spiwe on cameras. He saw that it's bad when it comes to child. That child is not feel comfortable because Musamseleku understand that Spiwe, Mawande and Zinande, his kids, are their brother, are their old brother. You understand it? So Musamseleku is trying to correct himself. We know that he was wrong. But Mangwabe always feeding Spiwe that it's not your home. Where he is his home now. You understand it? Because you are the mother of that child. Why you can't build a house for him when you are saying it's not your home? You know that maybe it's like maybe Musamseleku is the one who brought that house. Spiwe now, when he look at Musamseleku, like Musamseleku doesn't want him. You understand? Yes, it happens. Even Musamseleku explained that at the first time, I don't want Mangwabe's son. Musamseleku didn't hide for us. But Mangwabe respects me. But Musamseleku doesn't want to explain that that boy is a child. That's why Musamseleku, even at his birthday, welcomed Spiwe. Like you know that Spiwe feels at home at his birthday, last birthday. You know Musamseleku mentioned that it's Mangwabe's child. What? You understand it? And we welcomed. What Mangwabe Musamseleku can't do to him, to her, guys. Yes, Musamseleku is bad to Makumalo. But when it comes to Mangwabe, Musamseleku is trying. Even Spiwe saw it, that Musamseleku is trying. Musamseleku was there at Spiwe's graduation, guys. Musamseleku is not about he attends his kids' graduation, Abongwe and Impilo. But at Spiwe's graduation, Musamseleku attends. We don't want to lie. He attends Spiwe's graduation. It shows respect. Your husband is attending your child's graduation. If Musamseleku doesn't want Spiwe, he can't attend his graduation. Even to say about him at his birthday on television. You understand it? So sometimes Mangwabe have to stop saying those words to that child. Or maybe Mangwabe want Spiwe to look at Musamseleku like he is bad like that. You understand? Yes, Musamseleku, guys, no one is perfect in this world. No one is perfect. Even Musamseleku is trying to correct himself. No one is perfect because you can't tell the child this is, you are not belong here. Mangwabe is telling Spiwe that you are not belong here, I think it's not fair.